Today, we're diving into the exciting world of height growth and uncovering the secrets to gaining inches naturally. Can you really grow taller after your teenage years? What happens when you embark on a 30-day journey with height-increasing foods and some surprising exercises? Buckle up because we're about to reveal it all. Before we get into the juicy stuff, let's break down the science of height. You might think your genes dictate everything, but there's more to it. Genetics do play a significant role, accounting for about 60 to 80% of your height. However, don't lose hope just yet. There are some factors you can control, like nutrition and exercise, which contribute to the remaining percentage. First, let's understand when boys and girls typically stop growing. Girls often experience their growth spurt 1 to 2 years before their first menstruation. Most girls reach their adult height between ages 14 and 15. Boys, on the other hand, have a bit of a roller coaster ride. Some start puberty as early as 9, while others don't hit it until age 15. The biggest growth spurt for boys generally happens between ages 12 to 15, with some growing a little more even after age 18. Now, the real excitement begins. What really happens when you commit to a 30-day challenge of height-increasing foods and exercises? We're diving into the nutrition department first because, well, you are what you eat. Imagine a month of dedicated eating, focusing on the right nutrients for your growth. We're talking about height-increasing foods that are delicious and nourishing. Let's explore these gems. First up, we have dairy products. Think milk, yogurt, and cheese. They are packed with essential nutrients like calcium, proteins, and vitamins A, B, D, and E. These nutrients are crucial for height increase. Eggs are next on the menu. They're not just affordable, they are a powerhouse of vitamins, including calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B2. These are all essential for developing strong bones and achieving that taller build you desire. If you're past your growth spurt, chicken is your go-to protein source. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues and muscles. Load up on high-quality proteins through chicken for a month, and you'll see an increase in your height. Don't underestimate the power of soybean. It's rich in protein, which is excellent for bone and tissue mass and density. Exactly what you need for a growth spurt. And let's not forget our favorite fruit, the banana. While it's notorious for its calorie content, it's also packed with minerals like calcium, potassium, and manganese. These help boost your height in unique ways. Oatmeal is another hero in this story. Loaded with protein, it's essential for increasing height and building muscle mass. The amino acids in oats assist in repairing bones and tissues, promoting optimum growth. Fish, a fantastic source of vitamin D and proteins, is essential for bone development and density. Adding it to your diet can work wonders for your height. Almonds, high in fiber, manganese, and vitamin E, are a nutty delight. They not only boost your growth but also foster bone health. Now here's a twist. Ashwagandha, not technically a food but an herbal remedy, is a natural way to grow taller in a month. Packed with minerals, it improves bone density and influences the human growth hormone, HGH. But that's not all, folks. Our journey to gain height naturally has more exciting stops along the way. Let's explore the possibilities. Human growth hormone, HGH, is crucial for regulating height and bone growth. While it naturally occurs in our bodies, some individuals may need supplements under medical supervision. It's not without risks, so consult your doctor for the right dose. Stress can hinder growth by activating hormones that negatively impact the growth hormone. Take a break when you're stressed. Go to that place you've always wanted to visit and relax. A good night's sleep is more than just rejuvenating, it's a growth factor. Deep sleep triggers the release of HGH. Make sure to get a solid 8 hours and consider a post-dinner walk to enhance your sleep quality. Our feet carry us all day long, so pamper them. Spend 30 minutes massaging your feet with warm coconut oil. It not only relieves pain, but also improves blood circulation and encourages the release of growth hormones. If nutrition can help, so can exercise. Stretching exercises can be your secret weapon. Spend at least 20 minutes daily doing mild to intensive stretches like the forward bend and calf stretch. Ever thought about hanging around to grow taller? Hanging on bars 6 to 8 feet above the ground is an excellent way to add inches naturally. Just remember to maintain the proper form and do it for at least 10 minutes. Cycling isn't just great for toning muscles and burning calories. It also acts as a stretching exercise that promotes vertical growth. Aim for 45 to 60 minutes of cycling each day. There you have it, the 30-day challenge to gain height naturally. It's not just about genetics, you can take control of your growth journey. Whether you choose height-increasing foods, supplements, stress relief, quality sleep, foot massages, stretching exercises, hanging around, or cycling, the possibilities are exciting. Remember, the key is consistency and patience. So, what are your thoughts? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more intriguing facts about the human body. Stay tuned for more exciting content.